Elle Kolb here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a 3-step eyebrow routine process, and this is what I do to get my shape of my eyebrows. I know I get a lot of questions on how I do my eyebrows, and so this is exactly what I do. I just wanted to let you guys know this channel is something I'm super excited about. I put a lot of time into editing and filming my videos, doing research on eyebrows, so I'm really passionate about brows, if you guys can tell. And also I'm going to be trying the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz today, and I'm super excited about that. So if you guys would like to know this 3-step process, please keep watching. So I like using Brow Wiz by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It is like a small little brush, and it helps like get in with precision so that you can really like make your brows stand out, and you can really draw them into whatever shape you want. It also comes with like a little spoolie, which is really cool. So at first I always brush mine out, but I don't like cutting them down too much because I kind of want them to be like very natural. And then I use a eyebrow gel. I got this in my Ipsy bag. It's like Slack, but it's awesome. It's just a clear gel. So I normally put this in. Not only does this help your eyebrows stay in place, it also gets your eyebrow wet so that when you put on powder and liner, I feel like it stays on better. I'm using the color dark brown with this at the bottom, and I will just start drawing a little line. I don't draw like one big line because it kind of messes up, looks too dramatic. Every eyebrow has a perfect line at the bottom. I use this spoolie to kind of brush it out. So here at the front of the brow, I'll just draw in where hair would be. You want your eyebrow to be as thick as possible. After I draw the shape of the brow, I go in with powder. So I've already kind of outlined what I want my brow to look like. Next I'll go in with e.l.f. powder medium. This eyebrow palette's really good. Obviously I've used like all of it. I used to use the gel until I found the Wiz, but I'm going to go ahead and with like the little brush I gave and just put this powder on. And I love powder because it really fills in sparse brows and it makes eyebrows look so natural. The next step that I do is I go back in with the eyebrow Wiz and I kind of fill in any spots that I want the eyebrows to be like the same width from the center of my nose. So I normally draw them in a little farther to look natural, but fleeky. Okay. So now I'm going to go back in with this brow gel, and this kind of sets it. I am going to show you how to contour it. So I will go in with Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I will go ahead and like slightly outline it. I don't like to put too much concealer on. I'm going to go in with my MAC brush. This is 283 SE. This was part of like the holiday collection. And then I'm just going to go ahead and blend this concealer into my skin, and then this really makes eyebrows precise, and it will enhance your eyebrows and make them look more sharp, more clean. I will go back with my MAC. Right now I have Nomad, my highlight, and I'm just going to press this at the top inner corners of my brows. So this will really make your eyebrow pop. It'll make it look more precise. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do this other brow. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. I was super excited to film this eyebrow look, and I finally got it up. I'm super excited. This is probably the most popular question that I get. Like whenever I see girls in public, they always ask me about my eyebrows. So I was really ready to finally film an eyebrow tutorial. So thank you guys so much for watching. And if you guys click below, you can subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if not, see you guys in my next video.